I was eating a lot from outside. My schedule was all over the place. I've been getting these acne breakouts all of a sudden, and I managed to do the cleanse with you this year. And it's been great. I can feel the difference. I can see the difference. And it's really helped me to kind of put myself back in track. I really felt that this is what I was looking for. This is also necessary for someone like me who's always on the go, and I need to find time for myself. It was so easy to kind of go through the whole process with your cleanse. For me, your cleanse worked at that point at the right time. Yeah, everything just fell in place. You don't have those bloating issues, you don't feel gassy. The skin instantly can feel in my hair, the clearing of the tongue, my nasal cavities, and the congestions that I had. Results that you see during and after are just magical, and you'd not regret at all. You'd love it. Well, I've been in the fashion industry for a bit. I've dabbled with the culinary world, working with a Michelin star restaurant. I've had my own journey with facing a lot of health issues, and I've always found my solace in Ayurveda. Cleanses of different kinds is what I felt that my body needs, and I feel most of our bodies need in today's day and age, because we put our bodies through so much without really thinking about the repercussions. We only kind of take a pause and want to kind of undo whatever we've done only when it's either too late or we are going through a real problem. So from my experience, I've realized that it's always better to kind of give your body that cleanse every few months so that your body is in the best condition. We do take care of our cars, our homes, and all the materialistic things that we need in our day-to-day life, but we always take our bodies for granted. So I saw you online, I approached you. It's been such a great journey of even knowing you and getting on this journey of cleanse. I think what we were planning since a year, and finally I managed to do the cleanse with you this year. And it's been great. I can feel the difference. I can see the difference, and I'm planning to do my next one because my last cleanse a few months back, it's really helped me to kind of put myself back in track. I can see and feel the change in my body. That's my motivation. It was around that same time when I happened to see your posts and I approached you and we got talking. I really felt that this is what I was looking for. And I was like, this is something that I should do and try it out, because I've also gone through a proper Panchakarma cleanse, going to a resort and staying there and doing it. That's amazing, obviously, because you get that one-on-one feel. I did one where there was a proper consultation with a nutritionist and an entire team on board. And I wanted to try this out because I felt like this is also necessary for someone like me who's always on the go. And I need to find time for myself. And, when there is a lot of things happening, it's difficult to kind of give our health that priority, and we always kind of put it on the side. But then I realized that after my last cleanse, I just couldn't hold on to that routine. I just gave in, and I was eating a lot from outside, and I was like, my schedule was all over the place, also because my partner works 2 different time zones, and it was getting difficult to kind of get back into track. And so this year, as it began, I was like, I need to start my year with that full zeal. And I was like, nothing doing, I have to just do it. And I think that's what we all need, that trigger point where you say to yourself that wherever I am, I'm just going to start. It was so easy to kind of go through the whole process with your cleanse. Because if you're working, you can still do it. If you're at home and you're working from home, you can still do it. It's not as daunting as having someone in the back of your head. You have to send pictures of every meal, what you're doing. So I think, because I've experienced all these 3 different forms of cleanse, I think depending on where you are at what point, everything works. And for me, your cleanse worked at that point at the right time. Yeah, everything just fell in place. So my major issue has been that, I've been getting these acne breakouts all of a sudden, and I have not had any idea of where it was coming from and how I can heal it. I've always found solace in Ayurveda, and I've always felt it's very important to kind of go to the root cause than just working on the surface issues. And after my last cleanse, I just let go of myself. I was eating so much from outside. Obviously, it took a toll on my body. Something which I realized over time that, as we age, we also need to kind of be nicer to our body and give it some more time to kind of heal. I started seeing those symptoms again. I was not very happy with my bowel movement, with my skin looking the way it was. And also I was shifting from places. I was in Dubai for a while, and then I came to India, and then I was planning to go to the US. But then I realized that no, I need to stay put, finish my cleanse, and then figure out. When I decided that time itself, I felt like, okay, fine. And I've always had that confidence in the whole group that I was a part of, which always kept giving encouraging words times where I felt like I'm losing my track or things like that. And I always found that way back. And that was really nice to have, all the women in the group who have either gone through it before, have done the cleanse, or are going through the cleanse. So they knew what was happening or what was coming. That guidance kind of helped. And obviously after the cleanse, I felt like, oh wow, it's done already. Like it was not very difficult. And post treatment, obviously, you start feeling like, yes, you feel light, you don't have those bloating issues, you don't feel gassy. The skin instantly can feel in my hair, the clearing of the tongue. It's just amazing how our body just shows us signs, and it's so important for us to be so cognizant about it. All these years of modeling, I've never had so many breakouts. And now I know what the reasons are. Now I know that if I stress too much or if I eat a certain kind of food, now I know the foods that can give me those allergies. And so I kind of stay away from it. It's really helping me to find that place. Thank you so much for that guidance. It's not easy, but to have someone who has the knowledge and doesn't make it sound difficult, I think that's very important. All three put together gave me the result that I needed. Like, I know that some people benefit a lot with Virechana, some with Vasti. I think for me, because I know that my body is very high Pitta and I am mixed with Vata, and because I was here in India during the winter time, there was a Kapha imbalance. So I think for me, all three combined together along with the diet, that worked for me. When I was in Dubai, I remember that the Vamana really helped with clearing my nasal cavities and the congestions that I had. So it kind of really helped me at that point in time. But this cleanse, I think it was a mix of everything. I mean, the Vasti with the oils and the Vamanas, the Virechana. I needed all three of them at that point in time. Just don't think, just jump into it, and you love the experience. The results that you see during and after are just magical, and you'd not regret at all. You'd love it. You'd think, why didn't I do it before? Since I've known you, longer than the cleanse, I know for a fact that you've always been there to kind of help through whenever there is a need. And I think that's very important, to be approachable, to be there to kind of show the light. A lot of times what happens is that you find a good person to kind of help you through the process of healing. But then when you feel lost, they're not available. In spite of your busy schedule, I've always seen that, even in the group, if someone else asks a question, you always find time, at least to tell that, okay, you're not available from so and so time. But then as soon as you're free, you kind of get back and give all the answers to all the queries. And I think that's very important, to be approachable and to be available when the person needs you is very, very important. And that's something which I found was very helpful for me during the process. Hand holding for me is very important. So I think that's something which I love about you.